Today we will be working on exercise 15. I'm gonna have to start by drawing a line for 50 and going up 40, and I'm gonna make it into a rectangle by finding that point and connecting the lines. Now I'm gonna need to do some offsetting. We will be using a lot of offset today. So I'm going to go under the modify toolbar. This is the key for offset. I'm going to click on offset and I'm going to type how much I need to offset it by. So I'm going to need to offset this line by 5. So I'm going to press enter and offset it by 5. I'm going to press escape, click on offset again, and this time I'm going to offset by 20. This line, and I'm going to make a circle with a diameter of 6. 2 circles with a diameter of 6. So I'm going to use a center diameter command. 6, enter. I'm going to offset again this line by 5. So type 5, enter. Click on the line and click towards the left. Escape. And that point right here is the center for my next circle. So I'm just going to copy this circle, press enter, pick it up from the center, drop it off as where the center is supposed to be. Escape. I'm going to erase the lines that I offsetted because I don't think I'm going to need it anymore. So now I'm going to need to offset this line by 25. So I'm going to press on offset again. I'm going to type 25. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to click on this line, take it towards the right, and press the mouse key again to drop off that line. I'm going to press escape. I'm going to have to offset this line by 10 once and once by 40. Actually 30. Once by 10, once by 30. So I'm going to click on offset, type 10, enter, click the line, pick it up towards the top, press the mouse key again to drop it, press escape, click on offset again, this time type 30, enter, click on this and drop it off right here, escape. Now I need 2 circles with the diameter of 15. So I'm going to use the center diameter command again. Click on the center right there and I'm going to go ahead and do a 15. I'm going to click on copy command, click on the circle, press enter, pick it up from the center and drop it off right here. Press escape. I'm going to delete the lines. And there we have it. Now I'm going to put some dimensions on this for you guys to learn how to do dimensioning as well. So I'm going to go under linear. I'm going to pick this line, this point with the center of that, bring it down. I'm going to pick this line again with the center of this, bring it down. I'm going to have to bring it more down, so I'm going to erase this one again and restart doing it. Click on this line, click this, bring it down to here, pick this point, bring it down. click on this point, click on this point right here, bring it down. And I'm gonna do this whole thing right here. Bring it down, drop it off right there. Pick this point. Pick the center here, go up here. I'm gonna have to check one more time to make sure my center and object snap is on. Yes, it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a linear again. From here to here. Another linear from here to here. And you notice that I go to the circle in order to get that center line turned on, because otherwise I don't see the center line be specified. I have to get close to the circle for it to show up. And once here, and there we have it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on exercise 16.